it's Chrissy from the Creative Eclectic. I'm an independent demonstrator for Stampin' Up in Australia, and today I'm going to give you a really quick Tuesday tip about assembling your cling mount rubber stamp sets. In one of my previous videos, which I'll put a link to down below, I have already shown you one way of putting together these cling stamps, but I thought I'd show you a different way, just because some people find this a little bit easier. So what you'll need is your cling stamp. I'm putting together my Natural Textures Hostess set, and you'll need a block, the appropriate size block for your stamps. Okay, so first up, you're going to get this backing paper and take the paper all the way out. Right. We're going to then pop, keeping this split paper on the back, just pop it on the block. Right. Then we'll take the corresponding stamp off out of the pack. Now I keep these rubber things so I can see how many stamps I've got and if one's missing. Okay, now put this face down on my surface. Then I'm going to take off the backing. And of course the phone rings right when you're in the middle of this. And it'll be a scam caller, so I'm not answering it. I should have used my take the pic tool to do that more easily. Now you turn it over and you can see how to stick it on. These ones are a bit harder than normal, but you basically just line your stamp up. I might zoom this in a bit for you. It's basically, you can see the curves on the stamp. See whether it's going the right way. And you're going to line it up. And pop it down. So then, you just need to get your finger or your tool or whatever you're using, and you've got your stamp all lined up. Mine's a little bit off on one side, but it's not that big a deal. So let's do another one, hey? Hoping this is the right one. And you know what I did? I put the wrong label on the wrong stamp. So that's a bit silly. We'll do... You're probably thinking, what on earth was she doing? It's early, okay? I haven't had enough coffee. Happens to the best of us. All right, so you make sure that you've got the right label for the right stamp. Peel off that back. We've put the top on. That's why I couldn't work out why it wasn't lining up exactly. But it's all good. Nothing that can't be undone with a bit of patience. So I'm lining it up at the top. Pop it down, and we're all lined up. So that's quite a simple way of assembling your stamps. So I hope you enjoyed today's Tuesday tip, and I shall see you next time. Until then, happy creating!